Hello friends, I am here again with a new layout plan for a house. The required size was 21 feet by 45 feet. So they were supposed to draw a plan with the two separate portions, in ground floor separate and first floor separate. So how I design it, you can see from here the ground floor, about 6 feet entrance, and then the steps inside. Then I make a chamfer shape the entrance to give the some place to go to upstairs. So here the stairs is going to upside. On the left side you can see a small drawing room is there. It is open to the living area, so in the time of guests it can be closed with a curtain, and normal times it will be open completely and make as a use as a one unit. Here a small bathroom, sorry, kitchen, 4 feet 8 inches by 9 feet 3 inches. It's in longer direction. And if we come to back side, so I have kept a small area for the OTS in the center, almost 4 feet 9 inches by 5 feet. And from this bathroom and this bathroom, one window is there. From this bathroom, the door is given to access this area, because this can be used to place a washing machine or some uh, water geyser, something. This two will be operated as a bedroom, 13 feet by 9 feet 5 inches. Width is little less, but because the space is only 21 feet. Actually, this is a low budget house. I mean, mostly people in Pakistan and India, or maybe in other parts of the country also have small plots. So it's very difficult to get space. Because if I make it one big room, it is not feasible. That's why I try to make two small rooms. And this is a ground floor. When you come to first floor, so from here we reach on the upside, and this place we will go to this area, because this is a common area for the ground floor and the first floor. This will be treated as a common area. The ground floor will start from here up to this inside, and the first floor also starting, they can use this area but it is open. So from here it is started. So same way in the ground floor, this is a small a room, like a drawing room, living area, two bedrooms, two bathrooms, and open area there, and one kitchen, small kitchen is over there. So almost copy paste is the layout plan. Here I have made some design for the furniture layout, how the furniture will be placed and distributed. So you can, if I start from this bathroom, so in the entrance front side I put the wash basin. I like to put the wash basin in the front because it will give you a little better view. And here is a WC, and here is this corner shower tray will be there, or open showers, whatever you want, open to sky. And same way in the other side, WC can be shifted a little here to keep him away from the main door entrance. These two windows to give ventilation for these two bedrooms. So here will be the bed in the front, they can place a TV. Same here in the bed front place can be TV. If need a cabinet can be placed in this area. If I want, I can draw it like this one. So here can we place a cabinet, and same way in this room cabinet can be placed over here. So here I make this door here because I want to put the TV in this wall for the living area, for the hall. When you're sitting here you can watch TV over here. Kitchen is here, and in this area this is a drawing room. One TV is here and bed is here. It depends, you put separate TV in the hall and the drawing room, or use one TV, it's up to you. In the same way, the first floor is copy paste from the ground floor. So 21 feet is direction. So here we cannot make a door opening because already it's open to sky, so it will fall down in the ground floor. So it will be just use as open to sky. And same two bathrooms open to sky, two bedrooms with kitchen, and all everything is available over this small house. It's a pretty small house, but it's very much good for this small kind of design. So hope you like my idea. Please, I will be waiting for your comments to give me some better idea to improve this house if possible. So see you in the next video.